Many things connect the people who own our watches with those who create them. One stands out above all, the quest for perfection. Hi, I'm Timo van der Meer and I'm here on Kurfürstendamm in Berlin. Please follow me to discover the new a.lange Söhne boutique. Speaking about perfection, this is what our new Berlin boutique is all about. Feel free to immerse yourself in the fascinating world of a.lange Söhne. The experience goes far beyond our unique timepieces. You can take a deep dive into the brand's history, get to know our philosophy, and feel the passion behind our masterpieces. Berlin's largest wristwatch turns the usual proportions upside down. The small becomes big, and hidden details become visible. It is our ambition to never stand still. Therefore, I'm delighted that a.lange Söhne now has a permanent home in the heart of Berlin. My team and I look forward to your visit.